If you've landed on this video, you're probably wondering, is there a way to unblock yourself on Telegram after someone blocked you? Maybe you're feeling frustrated, confused, or just curious about what options exist in 2025. Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the facts, dispel some myths, and offer the only real steps you can take if you've been blocked by someone on Telegram. By the end, you'll understand exactly what's possible, what isn't, and how to move forward respectfully. First, let's clear up the big question. Is there a button, feature, or secret trick on Telegram that lets you unblock yourself after someone blocked you? The answer is a definite no. Telegram takes user privacy seriously, and when someone blocks you, it's a personal decision, kind of like putting up a closed sign on their storefront just for you. That block means they no longer wish to communicate, and the app is designed to honor that choice. There's no workaround, no mysterious hack, no official or unofficial version of Telegram, at least as of 2025, that gets you past another user's block. Now let's talk about why this matters. Imagine if their asterisk were asterisk a way to break through someone's block. It would defeat the whole point of personal boundaries and security on a messaging app. Privacy is at the heart of Telegram's philosophy, and the block feature is there so people can have control over who reaches out to them. So, while it can sting if someone blocks you, just remember, it's not about you hacking the system, it's about respecting the other person's choice. Still, you might really want to reconnect. Maybe it's a friend, family member, or coworker, and you genuinely want to resolve things. This brings us to the only legitimate path forward, reaching out through a different channel. Instead of trying to force communication through Telegram, try sending a polite message via another social platform, email, or even a phone call if that feels appropriate. Be respectful and clear in your message. You could say something like, "Hey, I noticed I'm blocked on Telegram. If you're open to talking, I'd love to understand why and see if we can sort things out." This isn't a guarantee and it requires patience. They might need time before they're ready to discuss things, or they might still prefer to maintain their boundaries. And here's an important tip. Don't bombard them with messages on every platform, since that can come across as pushy or invasive. The key is to be sincere but give them space, just as you'd hope for if the roles were reversed. Sometimes, after a bit of time has passed, misunderstandings clear up and people are more willing to reconnect. Other times, they might not respond, and that's okay too. It's part of learning to respect digital boundaries, just like we do in real life. If you're feeling stuck or upset, it might help to talk to a trusted friend or write down your thoughts. Remember, a block doesn't define you, and sometimes giving things room to breathe is the healthiest choice. Alright, that wraps up what you need to know about being blocked on Telegram in 2025, and why there's no way to unblock yourself from someone else's account directly. I hope you found this video helpful and reassuring. If you have questions or want to share your experience, drop them in the comments below. I check regularly and love hearing your stories. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if it cleared things up for you, and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.